Okay, today we're gonna make Easter bun. So the ingredients are, we're gonna put to soak 1 cup of wine with 2 cups of raisin, 1 cup of mixed peel, which is this little thing, and 1 cup of cherry. Dice the small little pieces. Let this soak overnight, or at least an hour. Okay. Next, the ingredients are 2 stouts, 1 tablespoon of browning, 1 tablespoon of browning, 1½ cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of molasses, ½ cup of honey, ½ cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of jam, guava jam or jelly. You can use strawberry jelly. 4 tablespoons of butter. Use 4 tablespoons of butter, which I'm going to show you later. We're going to use 6 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, spiced. This is mixed spiced. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 6½ cups of all-purpose flour. Grease paper, and this is a bun pan which is 5½ by 13. So now we're just gonna use 2 papers, 2 grease papers, and just score it. Score it. The best you can. Then use a scissors and cut within the ink. Cut on the inside. This scissors is not so bright, but use a scissors. Come on, something just work with them. So now we have 2 pieces. Now with one little piece of the grease paper and some butter, you just grease this. Just grease it thoroughly, right around. Grease it everywhere. Alright. So once that is completed, just use your paper and lay it at the bottom like that. That's it. Now just put it aside until you're ready again. Now add all your dry ingredients together and sieve. So 6.5 cups of flour. Let's add some of the flour. Add the baking powder. Baking soda. Nutmeg. Add the nutmeg. Add the mixed spice. Add the cinnamon. One, two. Now sieve. You just have to be patient. Just work your ingredients, just work it in. That's it. You just put that aside until we're ready for it again. Now, to very low heat, add the stout. Add the jam. Add the browning. To ensure that it's add the molasses. Add the sugar. Add the melted butter. the stove on low, very low. Very low, very low. Put the stove on very low, between low and half. And just work the seam. Just work it in for about, until it's diluted. Just work it in until it's diluted. Very low. To the dry ingredients, once this is melted, everything is diluted, you just add it to this. Add the raisins, add everything, and just work it in. Just slowly work it in. So that's good enough. You don't even have to use the mixer. Just get a nice wooden spoon like this. So that's good enough. You don't even have to use the mixer. Just get a nice wooden spoon like this, and that's good enough. Preheat your oven at 320 degrees or 160 Celsius. So now with your pan grease, you're gonna put it in the can. Halfway. And you just do like this. To release the bubbles. We have a spare. Now to a preheat oven. Put the cake in. We're going to time it for 1 hour. This is after 15 minutes. Now, after 50 minutes, we're going to check this little one. See, when it starts to break apart like that, that means it's ready. Now to check it, you just take it like that. See, it's ready. Now, after 1 hour and 10 minutes, we're gonna remove the paper. Now, after 1 hour and 10 minutes, we're gonna check it. See, it's dry. That means it's ready. Just let it cool before you cut. We're gonna just put like a tablespoon or two of butter in a container and add some honey. We're gonna glaze the bun. So now to remove it, all you have to do is just use a knife and score around it like that. Because remember, we greased it, so it shouldn't have a problem to come out. Alright. So you just do like this. Make sure your hands are clean. See how easy it come out? Alright, you just remove the paper. That's paper one. And then you just carefully remove the other one. Wow, look at that. Alright. So now I'm gonna glaze it. Oop, it smells nice to say. Coming back, it smells just like the butter. Alright, so that's it. So now to glaze it, take a piece of grease paper and melt the butter and the honey and just glaze it. Just like that. Yep. So that's it. That's Easter bun. So all you gotta do is just do like that, do like that, do like that, do like that, and remove the papers, the grease paper, like that. This is small one I'm gonna taste tonight. It's actually 1 o'clock in the morning. Alright. So now we're gonna glaze this. Just wanna get the part here done. Just this is honey and butter. And you just glaze it. Give it that nice little sheen. Nice, beautiful sheen. And that's it. That's Easter bun. Okay, we're gonna cut this and see how it looks. Easter bun and cheese. Easter bun and cheese. Easter bun and cheese.
Let's taste it.
Easter bun. Easter bun.